Good afternoon, Corey.
Hello, Bhavnesh. Good afternoon.
How are you?
Good, good.
All right. So, did you give your vote today?
I did, yes.
How was your experience?
Experience was great. It was a great instructor. Yep, John. He did amazing. I'm really happy. I went to John.
All right. And what is your experience with car skills?
KAR Skillz was great. I wouldn't have been able to get my license without the help of Bhavnesh from KAR Skillz.
Okay. What did you learn and what did you enjoy the most? What did you find the difference?
Um, I enjoyed Bhavnesh's company during the lessons. I learned a lot about road safety, the rules, what to do, what not to do, and all the little intricacies in between everything.
Okay.
Um,
And like earlier when you came to me, you were confused whether to go for CBT and VORT.
yes.
And then I suggested you giving VORT. So, how was that?
VORT test was great. I think the VORT test is for people who don't have a lot of time, but need to take the test, and the CBTA is for people who have a lot more time and they can spend the time doing the lessons. So I do prefer the VORT test.
So, what strategies were helpful for the 5 task maneuvers, low speed maneuvers?
Practice, really. Practice, practice, practice.
Yeah.
And don't be afraid to fail and be safe.
All right. Thank you so much and
Thank you.
best luck.
Thank you, Bhavnesh.